Honorable.
What's your point of order, Honorable Junet?
Madam Speaker, first I want to also weigh into the matter of the KYPA. Madam Speaker, this KYPA has been in existence for some time now. Even last Parliament it was there. Madam Speaker, you see in this House, practices and traditions almost become part of the standing orders, the way Parliament does things. So, Madam Speaker, if in the last Parliament members were from both sides in the leadership of KYPA, then it behoves all of us to take that into account and make sure that all parties or all coalitions are represented. And secondly, I want to tell members here that KYPA is a caucus. It's not a committee of Parliament. It's just a caucus. People who sat outside there in the
Junet,
lobby.
I already pronounced myself.
I know, Madam Speaker.
I said because of communication from the
Yeah, but Madam Speaker, there was a communication here by the Speaker on CPA the other day. But when we went to the House Business Committee, the Speaker again presented the matter, and there was an agreement on how to conduct that matter. So I'm urging you as the Speaker now that you need to look into this matter, Madam Speaker, that we cannot go, otherwise, if we devolve this to the youth, the problems of segregation from the top now to the youth, Madam Speaker, then Mukunji will become a useless president when he becomes a president. I am foreseeing him becoming a president, but not when I am around.
Yeah, Honorable
Thank you, Madam
Junet,
Speaker.
I think, honorable members, we've already pronounced ourselves on the, I've already pronounced myself on this matter. I have ruled that you will write a letter, the leader, the majority leader will write a letter to the Speaker raising those concerns.